It is a windy day. We are looking at the cab filter air inlet hose for the cab. As you can see, this one has issues. Dealership did not have one. Well, now we have the new hose in here. This is a Napa 7820 radiator hose. There is a spring in there to keep it from compressing. I did end up trimming that end there above the filter that much. And then this end was about that much. I could have maybe taken a little less off. But this hose was the same price as that light curly Q dryer vent style hose. So hopefully this gives me lots of life. Thanks for watching.